Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Natasha Amjad. Today my presentation topic is cyber security in artificial intelligence. First off, in introduction, cyber security is all about protecting computer service, mobile devices, network, and data from the malicious attack. It involves implementing measures to prevent unauthorized access. There are some terms that are used in this security. White hat hackers. It is also known as ethical hacker that are professional hacker that breaks into system. Black hat hacker, a criminal who breaks into system and compromises security against the law. Grey hat hacker, someone who conducted black hat hacker for the white hat hacker reasons. There are some technology for cybersecurity. Cryptographic system. It is used to codes to information, transfer information to unintelligible data. Firewall. It is used to block traffic from outside, but also it uses block traffic inside. Instruction detection system, and it is used for additional protection measure used to detect attack. Anti-malware software and scanner. These are used in viruses, worms, and all are the example of malicious software, some so-called anti-malware tools. These tools are used to detect them and cure an infected system. Secure socket layer. It is a suit to protect that is standard way to achieve a good level of security between web browser and websites. There is some areas in the cybersecurity. For example, information security using cloud security and machine learning, also using data protection and security and cryptography as well as biometrics. There are some tools that are used in the cybersecurity softwares. First of all, White Hat that protects from the ground up. TrueCrypt, a real solution, Claim AV, integrating security needs. Okta, they perfect tracking tool. Artificial intelligence. It is a branch of computer science which aims to building machines that can think, feel, and take decisions just like humans, and they do things that humans could only do. Artificial neural networks. It is also called neural nets that were inspired by the architectures of neurons in the human brain, and that are the structure in which blue's line shows inputs artificial neural network, and orange present the hidden, and the last one is outputs. There are some applications that are used in the cybersecurity, healthcare, art, smart home, and video games. Also, a patient side surgical arms of surgical systems. There are the smart city safety, advanced sensing system, drug detection, and also using advanced computing system, also used in advanced software and detection systems. There are the advantages of the cybersecurity. The greatest advantages of AI is that machine do not require sleeps or any breaks, and they are able to function without stopping and sleeping. They work as a human, and it is also called a human robotic system. And there is the few disadvantages of this application. It is very costly and lack of explainabilities. Jazakillah, that's all about my presentation. Thank you so much.